welcome to the Moon in Gemini reading. We have Mini Moon over here joining us today to spread some light, help us illuminate what's going down. You know, we are at a time of opposites uniting so we can see the whole, and we're going to see the whole and balance it, as well as we are closing out the zodiac year, and we're about to start anew in Aries season. We're in a time of great shifting and expansion out there. We need to hang tight during any lower vibrational shenanigans and continue to keep creating with our integrity of the light and leading the way in the transformation of coming back to one and healing, harmonizing, and raising the vibration. Thank you guys for joining me here to do just that. Let's see what's going down. Six of Swords. Something has been illuminated here from the light of the heavens. And now you're on a voyage. You're on a voyage of transformation and you're going through the gates here. Something's being activated within this space. But we will be getting an activation for it. And your light is leading the way. But you've removed your mask. But you're not ready to reveal your new self. It's like one of the twins is still not in alignment. It's like one of the twins still wants to wear a mask. So I feel like you're feeling split. But I think that for you, that's part of your opposites uniting. That one twin has seen what they need to see and has activated with the energy of the cosmos. And the other twin still wants to keep the mask of ego on and is not ready to go on this voyage. But you don't care. Like this part of you, higher self, it's like you're gonna go anyways. This is being divinely orchestrated. And it has to do with your sorrows in the Five of Cups. We know we've been doing alchemy of the cups here, right? Twin flame alchemy. And you're restoring connection of balance through the five. And right now for you, you're thinking about the Two of Cups, but it's all about the three. It's all about the three right now. Knocked and they delivered. All right, we've got the Page of Wands on the bottom of the deck. Here's the Page of Coins with the Knight of Coins. Now here's two energies that create a whole. The Page and the Knight, just the more youthful energies, because we're also, opposite energies. We're going to use youthful energies with our more mature energies and wisdom to find balance. And so this is coming together within your grand finale of the zodiac year and what you're birthing into anew. And it has to do with your grounding balance here. And you're also grounding your abundance. And what you've seen in this Six of Swords, what you've actually seen there, you're grounding it. And here's the victory with the Six of Wands. Because the Two of Wands is here and you've picked a path. You picked a path. It's like you saw opposites. You saw dark, you saw light, and then you saw your shadows. And we know we've been in a time of doing shadow work because it's our shadows that harm us and follow us around. The dark is a part of us. The light is a part of us. We use the dark as fuel for our light. But it's our shadows that create self-harm and they follow us. But how do you say goodbye to a shadow? You shine the light on it. And we have two supermoons. The supermoon in Virgo. And we have a supermoon in the time of Aries. And your light is so bright here. Like, your light is so bright. You've made connections. You've united here. Body, mind, soul, masculine, feminine, child. The heavens and the earth through you. And you've joined together the opposites in order to create a whole. And it was with help from the Page of Wands, and I feel like this is not even your energy for some of you joining me here, that you have encountered a Page of Wands that helped you on this path of transformation and to find equality through doing ego work and put the pieces of the dark and light together in order to make sense and to create the stability of the light. And you do so, you find balance, and you're creating new patterning, and you're continuing on your Three of Coins here with expanding that patterning because you're going from the Two of Coins to the Three of Coins. So you're really doing a lot of grounding work here. And here's your expansion, and it's connected to the sun and the whole solar system. You're restoring balance in this space. You're lit, and you're connecting to your Tree of Life. And this Tree of Life is connected to your divine blueprint, your spiritual expansion, and the pathways that you are taking in order to expand. And once again, it's through, wow, you're doing so much earth energy. We know we're learning how to use the other energies because we're shapeshifters. And we're creating with all these patterns to become whole and to build our 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, have our fortune increase. And it's like you've literally grown, and what you've unearthed has come together with the energies of the cosmos, of the heavens. And now you're manifesting with the Magician here. You're manifesting with the other elements. There was an ending to conflict. You ended here with the 10 of Swords, and that's the South Node. And we have an ending. We say goodbye to our life's debts because we balance our karma, and we're on our way to the North Node. And this is through the ecliptic path that the moon takes. And now we're connecting to our life's purpose, our 10 of Cups, and we're creating it. And it was through the 5 of Swords. You ended conflict. And you just picked the Sword of Clarity, the Sword of the Light. And in doing so, you acted with it, with the Ace of Wands. And this is what restored connection here. Because the Cups energy is represented by the sphere, the feminine energy, the circle. And you've restored connection through this triangle. And that's connecting these 3 cups down here and filling them up. And you're filling them up with your connection to your light and the divine. And there you are. This is letting go to restore peace on the path of the moon and finding clarity. And the 7 of Wands, you're healing. And here with the Knight of Swords, you're back in your natural element, moving forth. And this, now you have the Knight of Coins and the Knight of Swords. And these energies are both moving forth on their spiritual quest in order to continue expanding. And with the Emperor here, you do so. This is expanding with spirit, through spirit, and finding balance with the help of your connection to the divine and freeing yourself. You literally free. This is like applying the energy of the divine to this space. Okay, let's see what's being activated. What is being activated in the 6 of Swords? Shimmer, glamour, confidence, allure, charisma. You free your inner self for real. This is your shine, and you're rocking your shine now. You're rocking your shine. Your stardust, your angel dust, you're shimmering. You found authentic tune. And look, that's what you're creating. There's another sphere right there. You found your spark. You found the light. You found which way you were going. You saw what you needed to see. Right, let's get a message. This message is going to go with Shimmer and the Ace of Wands. I feel like we just need a little bit more information here. Oh, we got a little bit more information. Okay. Crossing into the light. Today I face a new bridge that I must cross on my journey to inner transformation. Today, like every day, I will practice the laws of universal love. Thus, I will deal with the current situation in a positive way so that I continue to grow and evolve. As I cross this bridge on my way towards the light, I am reminded of the true meaning of life. And this is what you're doing on your voyage. You're understanding the true meaning to your life. You're crossing the bridge. You're on the great voyage to make a connection to the light. And you do so. Searching within, what I see outside myself is simply a mirror of my inner self. Today I empower myself by looking past outer conditions and searching within for the source of a difficulty in my life. My inner wisdom will always help me face life's challenges. It provides my best answers and my greatest healing. As I study myself, I am transformed. And now that's what you're doing when you cross this bridge. You're studying yourself, because these transformations happen from within to without. You're freeing your light. And you're mastering your life. You're the master of your life. You've achieved success. I dedicate my strength to the divine within me, aligning myself with the true sovereign of my life. My ego steps aside as as I listen to my inner voice and act in accordance with the truth I hear. In this way, I become the master of my life. I live in abiding humanity, grace, and love for all the glory of God, Source, the Creator, the Divine. And I love this because now you found balance. You really found balance. You achieved it. Mask off, true self revealed. It's time to shimmer and shine. Would also like you to see another synchronicity and sign for you. You can see the solar system here as well as here. That's beautiful. It's on point. Time for a Kuan Yin oracle. Let's see what Kuan Yin has to say about this. Princess of the Autumn Harvest. Princess of the Autumn Harvest brings gifts of bounty and blessings for efforts and actions of the past. It is a time when the fruit of your labors is ripe for the picking. A beautiful blessing is on its way to you now. With gratitude in your heart, you will recognize the blessing when it comes to you, and it will serve you perfectly. Be open to receive it, knowing it is justly deserved. And yes, it's justly deserved. After all of this work, for sure. So enjoy it. You're blessed. I want to thank you for joining me here. Much love and healing vibes sent your way to create with today. From me and this little moon. Take care.